You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to change the touch sensitivity on your iPhone to improve responsiveness. Open the Settings app, tap Accessibility, tap Touch Accommodations, toggle on Touch Accommodations. Here you can adjust several settings. First, enable hold duration to change how long you need to. Touch the screen for a tap to be recognized. A shorter duration increases sensitivity. Second, enable ignore repeat to prevent accidental double taps. Most importantly, tap assistance and select use initial touch location or use final touch location based on your preference. You can also adjust the tap assistance delay for general sensitivity. Return to the main touch settings and ensure 3D and haptic touch or haptic touch on newer models is set to your preferred duration, fast, medium, or slow. A faster setting makes the iPhone more responsive to long presses. These adjustments are especially helpful if you find your iPhone not registering taps accurately or if you use a screen protector. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance for your touch interaction. For more simple iPhone accessibility tutorials, subscribe to the channel.